To add an Affirm virtual card to Apple Wallet, start by ensuring you have the latest version of iOS on your device. Open the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen or in a folder. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card. Select Continue. Then choose the option to add a card that is not listed, such as a virtual card. You will then be prompted to enter the card details manually. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. This information can be found in your Affirm account. After entering the card details, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of adding the card to your Apple Wallet. Review the terms carefully before agreeing. Once you have agreed to the terms, your Affirm virtual card will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can then use this card to make purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To verify that the card has been added successfully, open the Wallet app and look for the Affirm virtual card. You can also use the card to make a test purchase to ensure it is working correctly. It is also a good idea to ensure that your device is set up with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode to provide an extra layer of security when using your Affirm virtual card. By following these steps, you can easily add your Affirm virtual card to your Apple Wallet and start making purchases with ease. This can be a convenient and secure way to make payments online and in store. It is always a good idea to review your account regularly to ensure that all of your information is up to date and that there are no suspicious transactions on your account. Adding an Affirm virtual card to Apple Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can enjoy the convenience of using your Affirm virtual card with Apple Pay.